Today we're learning about negative numbers. These are numbers that live on the left side of zero. Let's go explore the number line together. Negative numbers are numbers smaller than zero. We use them in real life too, like when it's freezing cold outside, or when something is below the ground. Zero is in the middle, positives go right, and negatives go left.
Let's try adding -3 plus 5. Start at -3. Now hop 5 steps to the right. Let's work together. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Where do you land? On 2? Great job!
Adding rules. When we add a positive number, we move to the right. When we add a negative number, we move to the left. So -3 plus 5 means we hop right 5 spaces. Subtracting a negative. Here's a cool trick. When you see a minus sign and another minus sign, like 5 minus, -2, it turns into adding. So it becomes 5 plus 2, which is 7. 2 minuses make a plus. More subtraction. Subtracting a negative always means move right because it becomes addition. But subtracting a positive means move left. So 4 minus -2 becomes 4 plus 2 equals 6. And -5 minus 3 means move left to -8. Let's practice. -4 plus 7. Let's try one together. Start at -4. Now hop 7 steps to the right. Where do you land? You land on 3. Nice work. Now you try. -2 minus -5. This becomes -2 plus 5. Hop 5 steps to the right from -2. You land on 3. Remember, moving right on the number line means positive moving. Left on the number line means negative. And subtracting a negative is just adding.